Okay, so we are finally here in hand at this moment, the Osmo Pocket 3. I've been a proud owner of Osmo Pocket 1 and 2, and this is number 3. So let's unbox it and let's talk about it just a little bit. All right, so left my knife upstairs, but just run the finger through there, get that plastic off. And that's what we got. So I always get really excited when it comes to unboxing new pieces of tech. It's got a little jazzy sticker up there, boom. And that should release the product. So I did not get Creator Kit because like I got a lot of stuff already as far as like tripods and mics and things like that. So didn't buy the Creator Kit, but yeah, this is all the paperwork you get on the inside. It looks like QR codes that'll take you to DJI's store and Light Cut app. It's recommended for DJI video editing. So we'll keep up with that, put everything back in the box, and yeah, just more paperwork. That's it. All the paperwork. Throw that to the side. This right here. Let's see what we got. Okay, and let's make sure we got everything out of the box. There we go. Put it to the side. This looks like a lanyard. Let's get it open. Tear it up. Don't need it. Boom. Lanyard. Of course. Love a lanyard because you just put it around your wrist and you're good to go. Great for vacation. USB type C to C charging cable. And I like the hard plastic that is connected in. I like that. This piece right here. Let's get it open. All right, so, okay. So this is an extra mounting piece that you can put on. And I like the fact that they have USB up front instead of like down in here. The second generation had it down in here. It was hard to put a mic down in. So now when you clamp this on, and it seems to be, yep, magnetic. Let's get it open and let's see. There's a little bit of weight to this whole setup too. So excited. I'm like just ripping it open, y'all. And I love my DJI products. I've been rocking DJI for a long time, and this is a brand new look to the actual case. Look at that. This is the casing itself. Slot inside your casing for extra lenses, wide angle lens, and it says a black pro mist. So I'm gonna have to figure out what all that is about and check all that out. But this is, it's heavy, sturdy, it's hard. In past, this piece has been like kind of soft and pliable, but it's a hard TPU type material now. All right, meat and potatoes. This is the gimbal and definitely has a little bit more weight on it. I will do some comparisons between this and the two because I still got the two laying around. But this is the screen. This is the screen that everybody's been talking about. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to see it. This will not be a full usage video though, just to let you know. This latches on to the bottom. Okay. All right. And yep. Now how do you take it off? Okay, I like that. All right, so latches on to the bottom. And to take it off, push the button. Boom. You're good to go. So there are stickers on here. When mounting, insert handle into the Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the reset. Okay, so just instructions. Don't hold this button while putting it in. That's basically what it's saying. So USB type C on back, we'll be able to hook our DJI mic because we got DJI mic already. I'm talking to you on DJI mic right now, and it's going to be a whole lot more easy to use this, I promise. So this is going to give it a little extra length. It's going to let you connect it to your thread, and it gives you a little extra handle. I like it. And then it's not magnetic, but it unclips just like so. Thought it was magnetic because it looks like DJI magnetic systems. Let's go ahead and pull this off. There we go. That's the screen. This is what you got up front. So you're supposed to, oh, that is nice. Oh, that's dope. Let's go ahead and set it up. So we got English, Do I need to like scroll over? Or, okay, so English, tap on it. This is it. This is the device name. Boom. And we got to connect it to the app. So in order to get the latest firmware, got to connect it to the app and all that good stuff on my phone. I'm not sure which phone I'm going to be using. Probably the one that I'm shooting on right now, which is my S23 Ultra. So we will like update that in just a moment. But no SD card, got to put a card in. We got to do a lot of different things. I do have a brand new card coming for this. So like I said, it won't be a full video on everything, but I like it. Photo, panorama. Oh, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Boom. Okay. Photo, video, low light, slow-mo, time lapse. So we got everything on board that we'll need. I'm gonna go back to video, and I like this. So in this mode, you are going to get horizontal video, and then when you flip it straight up and down, you're gonna get your vertical video, which I'm sure we got to toggle all that. But we can tap the switch between the gimbal. This is just all the startup stuff, and depending on where we want it, which I like to shoot 4K 60. That's just me. That's what I like. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is your directional. So this is going to control the direction your gimbal goes in. This is your record / shoot / everything else button. And there are no more buttons on here. Recenter, 1, 2, 3, typically turns it around on the subject. So you can see me right here, all my lights and all that good stuff. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, turns it back around. Not much more I can tell you about it. So like I said, this is not a full review and all that good stuff, just the unboxing, just to see what comes in it. Oh, if you don't change it. All right, so let's do that again. We'll turn it back on. And of course, we got all this. When you do this, it gives you a chance to swap to your vertical mode. So there we go. Gonna be great for, I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. TikToks and Instagram and all that good stuff. But for the most part, it feels good, looks good, and we'll have a full out review that will be coming very, very shortly. So hopefully this has been able to give you a little glimpse into what this is and what it does and what's in the box. I'll be setting all this stuff up and we'll be talking about it a little bit later on. Once again, this is the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Huge fan of DJI products. Been using them for the past 6 years now. But it feels really good. I like it. We'll be testing it out and I'll be telling you guys everything you need to know about it. But until that time, if you come up with any questions, if some of the larger, more experienced videographers and photographers didn't answer, let me know. I'll be sure and try to run them down and try to do as much testing as possible. But until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.